Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is call. Here is a picture of a woman calling on her phone. Here is call in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Call means to speak in a loud, distinct voice so as to be heard at a distance. Use a phone to talk to someone. Call. Past progressive, was calling. Past, called. Present progressive, calling. Present, call. Future, will call. Let's build a sentence. I will call. Today, we will use the future tense. Let's build a sentence. I will call. Who? Who will I call? I will call the post office. I will call the post office. Let's build a sentence. I will call the post office. Why? When? When will I call? I will call the post office soon. When? Soon. Let's build a sentence. I will call the post office soon. Why? Why will I call it soon? About my box. Uh-oh. I think there's a problem. Let's build a sentence. I will call the post office soon about my box. Which box? Which box is it? About my missing box. I knew there was a problem. Let's build a sentence. I will call the post office soon about my missing box. Why? Why will I call? To find where it is. Yeah, I'm angry. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.